Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Charles Schwab account number. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, this is the article that I found in Sophie.com. Don't worry, I'll leave you the link in the description down below. And as you open it up, you're gonna find yourself in this page where the steps of how to find Charles Schwab account number are well explained and supported with screenshots. So this is on the web. Go to www.schwab.com and log into your account. Onto the account section, click onto the account you want to transfer. On the top left hand side, you will see your account number as you can see in these screenshots. The format will be like this 1 2 3 4 hyphen 5 6 7 8, so 4 numbers hyphen and then 4 numbers. Now about the mobile app, currently the full account number is not available on the Charles Schwab mobile app, so it is only available on the website. And that's it. That is how to find Charles Schwab account number. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and see you in the next tutorial.